classes. In this video, I am going to explain the ratio. Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. How many chalks in my right hand side? In my right hand, I have 4 chalks and in my left hand 3 chalks. When we compare these chalks by division, this is called ratio. Here if we write chalk in right hand, divided by chalk in left hand, what will we write? Right hand 4 chalk and left hand 3 chalks. Chalks cut. This is the fraction form of a ratio. Ratio has no units. The symbol of ratio, the symbol of ratio dots. Ratio, two quantities should be same kind. Two quantities should be same kind. Suppose I have taken chalks. Chalks may be red color, blue color, yellow color, but we cannot compare chalks and pens. We compare only same kind things during ratio. Okay. A ratio has two terms. First term, that is antecedent, and second term, that is consequent. Ratio has two terms. First term or antecedent, second term or consequent. In ratio, the word two, TO2, two is very important. The word TO2, two will decide which number will be the first term and which number will be the second term. The number before 2 is first term and the number after 2 is second term. Okay, let us take an example. 3, 2, 4. 3 by 4. This is the fraction form. And 3:4. This is the ratio. observe the number 3 just before the word 2 and number 4 after 2. Ratio should be always in their lowest form. Suppose the ratio 12 is to 9. 12 by 9. Fraction form 9 divided by 3, 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. Lowest form means we divide the numerator and denominator same number. So the lowest form of the ratio 12 is to 9 equal to 4 is to 3. We expressed the whole number as a ratio. Suppose number 5. Can we express it as whole number? Yes. Whole number means divided by 1. What will you write? Now 5 is to 1. This is the ratio of whole number 5. Okay. Now take an example. 7 days, 2, 3 weeks. Express it as ratio. What will you do? Now 7 days, 2, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 7 days, 3 weeks means 3 into 7, 7 divided by 7, days. What will be the ratio? 1 is to 3. Okay.